In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Antigravity, so just follow these steps exactly. Now, the first thing you want to do is open any browser on your computer, and once it opens, go to the search bar and type Google Antigravity. Now, from the results, click on the official Google Antigravity website. Now, once the website opens, look for the download option and click on it. Now here, you'll be asked to select your operating system, so just choose the correct one for your device. In my case, I'm going to click on Windows x64. Now after selecting it, the download will start automatically. Now once the download finishes, go to your Downloads folder and find the file called antigravity.exe. Now just double-click on antigravity.exe to start the installation. Now follow the on-screen instructions, complete the installation setup, and wait for it to finish. Now, once the installation is done, Google Antigravity will open and work correctly. And that's it. You have successfully installed Google Antigravity. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.